Imagine your home beautifully lit, customized exactly the way you want it. That's what Trimlight Chicago brings you, a permanent lighting solution with a 40-year lifetime warranty. With the best professionally installed product in the business, you can trust our experts to give your home the upgrade it deserves. Our thick-gauge channels match your home's color, hiding all wiring while enhancing your home's beauty, even during the day. Choose from millions of colors, endless patterns, and the perfect shade of white, warm or cool, whatever suits your style. Control it all easily with our cloud-based app, voice commands through Alexa or Google Home, or even let it sync to your music. At Trimlight Chicago, part of Revive Your Lawn, one of Chicagoland's leading exterior construction companies, we're committed to world-class customer service. Your purchase is backed by a trusted name in the industry. Plus, our system updates with new features regularly at no cost, giving you the best experience every time. For permanent lighting that elevates your home, choose Trimlight Chicago. For all life's moments, custom lighting, limitless possibilities.